Fun in the cable car's not so bad. You know, it's a great way to see the forest without worrying about all those big, mean, hairy beasts out there.
Beasts?
Oh, yeah, you know, beasts. The wolves and the bobcats and the mountain lions and the saber-toothed tigers. But mostly wolves. Mostly wolves. Forest can be a dangerous place for a little guy like me with my cute little... Look at me, I'm fuzzy and... Hey, you deliver up this far?
Well, not usually. But I was thinking about what you told me earlier. About the Muffin Man? I need to protect Granny's recipes from that bandit's evil plan. They're gonna shut down everyone in the forest if we're not careful.
No!
Afternoon.
Hello.
So, you're the little girl in the red hood. That was quite a bit of following you did just now.
Oh, you saw that.
Yeah, gravity's working. Those old cable cars on there. She read a letter. Wow, something smells good. Those, goodies in there?
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
No, you shouldn't. Good call. What are you doing way out here in the big bad forest? You taking the goodies to someone in particular?
My granny.
Granny Puckett, the goodie lady? My goodness, she makes some good goodies. She's got a thing. It's like cookies, shortbread, chocolate icing between. It's good. It's very good. You make deliveries to your granny often?
I don't think I should tell you that.
Oh, you don't have anything else in that basket?
You ask a lot of questions, mister.
Well, I'm a curious guy. Let me have a look.
I'd rather you didn't.
Red Riding Hood! Hand over the basket. Ah! Red! You can't hold on to those recipes forever! I'll get you and your little granny, too!
Well, that settles it. We got our bandit.
Could be. I like to count my chickens after they hatch.
Chickens?
You've got to admit, a wolf stopping kids in the middle of the forest? That's pretty creepy.
Right, yes. But we don't arrest people for being creepy.
Yeah, Bruce, know that guy we got in the tank?
The creepy one?
Yeah, better let him go.
So you went on to Granny's?
I found an old trail up the north side of the mountain.